some more downtown, can't tell. I don't know if I put it froze, but my bag full.
Yeah, my passport.
No, I don't have your passport, Boom Boom. Oh God. No, but put phone and joke aside. That 3 people I travel and look for the suitcase then. I know, let's go. Good morning, guys. So just to let you go. Oh, but I gotta tell Granny say I feel her own.
No, for me, ain't no paper.
Oh.
That's why she called 7. I really eat.
Oh. Okay, anyway. Okay. Good morning, guys. So just to let you guys know, if you didn't see from the title, I am going to Jamaica again for the summer. And guess what? I missed my flight. I never, ever, ever missed a flight before a day in my life. But because of these people and all of their suitcases and everything, we missed our flight. And my grandmother acted like she didn't do anything wrong.
Oh, cannot vlog with Granny.
Okay, so our airline is Southwest, and you're allowed 2 free 50 pounds, right? And on top of that, we had extra pieces, and those were all overweight. Well, mine weren't, but theirs were. So we were in front of the baggage line or whatever, taking out the stuff and like fixing it and everything, and like so we was rushing because it was like at that time it was like 5:30 something. Oh. You heard her? She said that she don't like to vlog because you guys are gonna say that our nails want to do. I mean, yeah, my nails aren't done, but when I go to Jamaica, they're gonna be done.
It's much cheaper there.
It's much cheaper. But anyways, like I was saying, we missed our flight. We're supposed to leave Buffalo at 6 a.m. and reach Jamaica at 11 a.m. But no, we have to leave Buffalo at 8:55, and we won't reach Jamaica until 4:20. I'm so mad because every time when I go to Jamaica, I reach Jamaica way down at night, even at night come down. And the first time I got a flight to reach there in the daytime, I missed the flight because of them.
I'm sorry.
So all in all, we paid like what, $375 for extra pieces and overweight. That's ridiculous. Every time these people come from far and they want to bring down everything for people.
Because Jamaica people beg too much.
Okay, and if them beg, I'd rather give people money than to struggle and bring down all of these stuff. Like honestly, I didn't bring down nothing for nobody. If I have money, I'll give it to them. That's
I don't
it.
know nobody beside my father, and my brother and my sister.
Okay, so I'm gonna stop this here and I'll see you guys in the next clip.
Bye, YouTube.
Alright, so we just landed in Baltimore.
Yes, goodie.
Yes. And now we're walking to go find a bathroom and find something for drink.
We are
How it's hers.
thirsty. Yes.
She want water. I want juice.
A bottle of water.
I want juice.
Juice, no good.
I want Chick-fil-A, but she said I need to eat.
No Chick-fil-A.
So,
We're trying to lose it. You know, these people are very discriminateful about what you got.
Oh, you too?
Yes.
I don't care.
Then try hurt people's feelings.
They not hurt my feelings. I'm gonna know some look good. I mean, everybody gonna think differently of people. They bought you right just now.
Positively uplift people.
There's cautious. We can find somewhere to go. The bathroom closed, so we have to go walk more.
Hey, niece, you're looking sexy. I like your outfit. It looks very comfortable.
Ready? You press already?
Yeah.
Alright, make sure you do it good. Alright, guys, look at my. Are you videoing it good? I don't know if you know how to video.
Yeah, I get the block then for your foot.
Like, no, like everything. We made
Yeah.
a block on my foot. Sorry. But now bleach my skin.
You better do it.
So, yeah.
Look for my niece, give a Shantia with spice body.
Yes, look on the back.
Yes, Shantia face and spice body.
My auntie look good. She look like somebody.
You always look like somebody.
Catchy ears, tired.
You know that, but you can't want. I just go
Catchy
down.
pink blouse.
Yeah.
Catchy white tights. Catchy sneakers. Yes, good day. You look good. You look good.
I could put together when I feel
And
like
my grandmother just here asleep.
I have a bad rough night.
Oh guys, guess what? I'm gonna buy one Louis Vuitton bag.
It really don't feel.
Alright guys, so I'm in Mabeno. We lost the suitcase and now I'm here waiting for them to come out. I got through already because I didn't have anything to declare, and I told the guy that the suitcases are just my clothes, which, well, that's not the case, but my aunt and my grandmother had to go to the line to declare their goods because they have only bag and pang. So now that's gonna be like a good while. Now I'm just outside waiting on them and I'm bored. I'm going to use the bathroom. I mean, nobody can wash my back then. But yeah, so hopefully they get through within the next 20 minutes and then we could come out and get some nice cool breeze. But every time I travel to Jamaica, we end up a problem with bag and sitting. We just need to travel light. One carry-on, one purse, and one check-on. That's it. Can't bother sometimes. But yes, I don't know if you guys can hear me because I'm trying to talk low. I don't want like to draw attention to myself. So yeah. But yeah, I'm just waiting on them right now. Look on all of them suitcases here. Oh my god. I'm finally in Jamaica. I'm about to go mash these up right now. Nice. But look, get it my favorite food.
So
alright guys, so we're still in Mobe coming from the airport, and it's a long drive to where we're going, so we stopped at this little jerk center to get some food. So I'm waiting on food. I got a jerk chicken salad.
Can I have a paper towel?
And my aunt begged me a piece of paper towel come and nose
Who wipe the table, you know?
Oh.
And then nose around.
No.
So they said black people say nose around? When you don't discriminate.
What do you mean when they don't discriminate? This is all real. I'm not adding out nothing. I'm in a nicey. I'm raw and uncut.
So then the plane to come?
Oh, how was your flight?
It was horrible. I lost one of my suitcases. I am so mad. But it's okay. Take the camera from me.
Let me take the camera for you.
This, what they put over a bar, it's not painting.
The tree?
No.
Good morning, guys. The first thing we do is eat my East Indian. It's sweet like syrup. Alright, hi guys. So right now, I'm in Spanish Town. I get some curry goats and white rice and roti. Yesterday was Independence Day, you know, 6th of August. I really didn't do anything. I'm sorry I didn't vlog yesterday. I wasn't like in the mood, but I'm gonna try and keep up with the vlogs and my vlog as much as I can. But honestly, I don't feel the need to vlog this trip because, you know, I know passa and enough family members and watch people stuff and carry news, get people and stuff, and I really don't want to be in that and I have to watch what I have to post or whatnot. But I'm gonna try because a lot of people asked me when I was coming to Jamaica and they want more vlogs and they like it or whatever. So I'm gonna try for the sake of my followers who support me. So yeah, so we just done cash my money, so I go buy some curry goat now, and then me and my aunt are gonna try and get our nails them done today. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. Alright, so I just ordered my curry goat, a roti, and I was gonna get like a fruit juice, but I was recommended this homemade lemonade, and it's nice. Yeah. So here's my food. Let me get white rice and curry goat with a piece of roti and some raw veg. I really don't like raw veg. I prefer steamed veg, but I'm gonna eat this now. So good. Alright guys, so I just got my nails them done and they look good. I spent $4,000 on them. And I had to walk to go get my aunt a pair of rubber slippers because she's on her toes and she wears sneakers. Will y'all show me? Oh, my car. That's like a Santa Fe. I have a Tucson or Tucson or something. That's how you pronounce it. Now I'm walking back to the nail shop to get my aunt her rubber slippers so she can do our toenails. And my nails look like this. So I did like color tip and then toenail with rhinestone on this hand, and then the other one looks soft. So yeah, I like them. They look very good, nice and short and sophisticated and a little colorful, you know. But yes, I'm walking to the place. Now I'm in halfway tree, by the way. And I'm about to put away my phone because I don't want nobody look for me and try to take my phone. Auntie nails didn't look good. No, we don't want to see your face. We want to see your nails.
That's why I hide my face.
No, but put them yourself. Put them yourself. They look good. I like them. They look too long for you, but
sometimes you have to step out.
They look good. Yes,
step out and feet.
You want to show them your toe too? Put shoes for the grown people. Nice.
On pineapple,
on pineapple? Oh god, they can't see it. It's dark. Oh, they get the gist. They look good. They toe them pretty.
And they look fit though.
Good shoes. I hope you got party for wear them to you.